Are you tired of the way your dining room looks but you don't want to change your furniture? Check out these tips on how to update your dining room and keep the same furniture in place. Install a new light fixture. The light fixture is often front and center in a dining room, and it's pretty much the first thing a lot of people notice, especially if a home is empty. One way you can update the look of any dining space is change out that light fixture to make it look more appealing. Switch up artwork. It's amazing how a different kind of print or piece of art can change the look of a room. If you're considering making a change, look at different options that you can put in your dining space to make the look completely different. Window treatments. Areas of natural light are often places of focus in a room. Why not change out some window treatments to change the look of the room a little bit? People don't realize how much a small change to your curtains can really change the look of an entire room. Paint. Different paint colors have massive impacts on your mood and even your appetite. Why not do some research and find out what can really be a stark contrast to what you have in that dining room now and choose an unexpected color for your home. Hang a mirror. Mirrors give dimension and depth to a room, and they can often make the space feel even larger. In addition, if you have any kind of candlelight or anything that you can reflect in that mirror, it's going to give the room a cool glow and make the space look even better. Add a rug. Rugs are a great way to change up the color and the patterns that you find in a dining room. It's really easy to do, to purchase one and lay it out underneath your dining room table as opposed to taking the time to purchase all new furniture. Thanks for checking out the Earn Advantage. I'll be sure to link to this article in the description down below. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas on things that you can do to change the look of your dining room without changing the furniture. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.